In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save, share, and protect your files using OneDrive. OneDrive is a versatile cloud storage service by Microsoft, allowing you to store and manage your files with ease and efficiency. The first step on this journey is logging into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft account page. This acts as your gateway to a variety of Microsoft services. Enter your email address and password, and upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. This is your mission control for all Microsoft applications, featuring everything at your fingertips. Notice the app launcher in the top left corner. It looks like a grid of dots. Clicking on this grid opens up a menu displaying all the Microsoft Office web applications available to you. Among these options, select OneDrive. Once you do, you'll be introduced to the OneDrive interface, which is both user-friendly and designed to help keep your files well organized and easily accessible. As you navigate through OneDrive, click on the section labeled My Files. This section acts as your personal library where all your uploaded documents, photos, and other files reside, keeping everything you need in one convenient space. Now, let's talk about sharing files. Browse through your collection and select the specific file you'd like to share. Upon clicking, various options will appear. To share your selected file, click on the Share button. This action triggers a pop-up window where you can input the email address of the person you're intending to share the file with. You're given the choice to either send the file directly via email or to manually share a link by copying it. If you opt for the direct method, the recipient receives an email containing a link for file access. Alternatively, by copying the link, you can share it through a messaging app, another email, or any way that suits your communication style. Now that we've tackled sharing, let's ensure your files remain secure. Click on the setting that indicates anyone with the link can edit. In this section, you have the option to impose further restrictions. By selecting anyone, you can set a password, thereby adding another layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Establish a robust password, and make sure it's memorable yet complex enough to deter unauthorized users. Once your password is set, don't forget to hit Apply. This ensures that each time you share the file, it will require the recipient to enter the password, safeguarding it from untrusted hands. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to save, share, and protect your files using OneDrive. This powerful tool not only makes file management simple but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your data is securely handled. Thank you for joining me today, and I trust you now feel more confident in utilizing OneDrive to its fullest potential. Until next time, happy file managing.